Hi, this is my assignment for the strategy analysis and action plan for myself. First, I will give a background of myself. I want to begin with my English. I started learning English from primary school and love it all the time. And I passed the IELTS test with 7 scores in total and better at reading and listening. Then I'm going to talk about other subjects. Since senior high school, I began to focus my study on maths and science, majored in light chemistry engineering in Tianjin University of Science and Technology, which is especially about how to make a paper. After graduation, I didn't go to work. Instead, I went to Waikato University to study the Master of Business and Management, which I think will be helpful wherever I'm going to work. In the second part, I will describe my goals. At present, I want to successfully complete the study of business and management course and apply it when I start to do the internship. I am very interested in the SWOT and the pestle analysis, so I wish I could do that in my future career. In the third part, I will analyze myself. Imagine that I am an operating entity. I am the CEO, because the only other people who can take this position are my parents, and they never control me to do anything. Nearly all the decisions are made on my own. What's more, all the financial support is from my parents, because I have never worked. And they are really easygoing and always show support because they love me. As for the communication skills, just like the public relationship department in a company, I am not good at that. Usually when I go out with my friends, I am the one who always keep listening until they ask me a question. And I'm going to do a SWOT about myself. First is my strength. I am willing to listen to others and help them analyze the facts, and then help them make some decisions. And I am good at doing research on my own. I am curious about the theory behind some method, and I like to spend time working on that and completely analyze it and make some conclusion, so that the next time when we face the same problem, we would fix it very quickly. And my weakness, I think, would be not concentrating in class, because my mind sometimes went somewhere else and hard to make the most of the class. And I have poor presentation skills because I think my speaking English is not well. And my opportunity would be this MBM course, and learn it, apply it, and try to practice everything. And my threats would be distractions, because I have so many things that I want to do, so many hobbies, and this would result in no time for study. In the fourth part, I will make a conclusion and introduce the skills needed to close the gap. And in conclusion, in order to finish a SWOT analysis and present it to others, the ability to gather relative information and then analyze the information by using SWOT or pestle, and make a recommendation according to the analysis. And what's more, the ability to do the presentation is also very important. So, at last, I think there are some recommendations to help me close the gap. Firstly, a good way to learn how to do a presentation is taking TED as examples and practicing it a lot. Find an interesting idea and analyze the way how it was delivered, and then apply it to my own presentation. Since there is always an assignment including presentation in the end of every course, I have opportunities to speak in front of the class, so I will train this skill. And secondly, in order to successfully complete the MBM course, I should prepare for each session and communicate with every professor freely. Most importantly, summarize what I have learned for this class and write it down to check with the professor. After all the classes are over, make an overview of this course to help memorize it. And thirdly, to deal with the distractions, make a to-do list every day. And time management is important, and control the right amount of time for my hobbies, and put more emphasis on the MBM course. And I think by doing this, I will manage well about my time. Yeah. And thanks for watching, Jens. That is all my analysis and plan.